How can Pakistan be such an idiot? He just revealed all the secrets.
Hey India, why you just left me there?
I thought you were enough to reveal all the secrets. That's why I just left.
Are you upset? Because I told Ireland about King Dynasty.
What do you think I should do? Celebrate, because you revealed weakness of our friend.
What do you mean? You were the one who wanted to give France land to Ireland.
I wanted to do that because King Dynasty don't want to invade France land. He just wanted to end France arrogance, but because France died, he was just handling France land.
Oh.
But you know what, Pakistan? Because of you, King Dynasty and his land are in danger.
But you said King Dynasty can't come back.
But still, by chance King Dynasty returns, he will be very upset to know that we were unable to protect his land.
You are too weird, India. You just change your mind too fast.
Think whatever you think. But the main point is because of you, King Dynasty land is in danger, and we have to protect his land.
Okay, fine.
Oh hi Pakistan, when you reached here.
Are you mad, India? Before you were debating with me, and now asking when I reached here.
Important announcement. A special video will come tomorrow sharp 12 p.m. so be ready. Shout out to